Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Ramadani. Alright, so first I would like to ask you questions. Do you know what is project-based learning? Well, project-based learning is a model and a framework of teaching and learning in which students acquire content, knowledge, and skills in order to answer a driving questions based on an authentic challenge, need, problem, or concern. Project-based learning is done collaboratively within groups using kinds of employability skills such as creative thinking, critical thinking, and communication. We can use project-based learning to develop the forces of 21st century skills. Project-based learning is found to be one of the learning activities that can develop the forces of 21st century skills that are often concerned as the most important skills among other 21st century skills. And the skills are consist of critical thinking, creative thinking, collaboration, and communication. So let's begin with how project-based learning can develop the ability of critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally. Critical thinking empowers students to discover the truth in assertions, especially when it comes to separating fact and opinion. It is important because nowadays it is harder than ever to verify the accurate information. Project-based learning promotes critical thinking when the students make choice and when the students see mistakes and problem solve to fix them. Critical thinking was seen as students engage in learning from mistakes and problem solving. Alright, so the next is project-based learning can develop the ability of creative thinking. Creative thinking is the ability to consider something in a new way. Project-based learning promotes creative thinking by trying something new and thinking outside the box. They don't have to do something the way that they have always done. Instead, they can figure out a better way. And by encouraging students to take ownership over their learning. In addition, students exercise creativity in determining what size or shape their end result is going to look like, and discovering how to learn from mistakes. As students engage in project-based learning, they are challenged to be creative when trying something new and thinking outside the box. And the next is project-based learning can develop the ability of students' collaboration. Collaboration skills is a valuable skill in this 21st century. Collaboration skills prepare students to work productively on today's interconnected working world and global society. Collaboration skills can be developed through any kinds of learning activities, and one of them is project-based learning. Bell states that group projects able to develop students' skills in collaborating with others. Students are working together when they work in pairs on a group to discuss an issue, solve a problem, or create a product. Students also have share responsibilities when conducting the project. Project-based learning encourages students to own their responsibilities and to become disciplined learners. And also students are sharing responsibilities fairly when all students on a team are engaged in the work and all are contributing toward the final outcome. And the next is project-based learning can develop the ability of communication skills. Communication is about sharing thoughts, questions, ideas, and solutions. Throughout the project-based learning process, communication is promoted by regular and constant feedback between students and teacher, as well as feedback between students in their respective group. In conclusion, to develop the forces of 21st century skills of students, we can use project-based learning as the learning activities. The forces skills are essential for modern students to success in school and also in the workplace. Students need forces skills to fully participate in today's global community. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.